Good day, ma'am. My name is John Ray A. Dumusmog. Our topic for today is all about gender. And in gender, there are three objectives, which is dimension of gender, history of gender, and the gender of spectrum. So, let's start to gender dimension of gender. Gender is a person experience unique to each of us. It parts of our identity, but it's shaped by many things like our background, culture, and belief. Gender is not a one size fits all concept. Gender includes a physical body, individual identity, and how we interact with society. Our bodies are viewed based on gender, and society gives different traits to men or women, which affect how we see ourselves. Identity is how we experience our gender. We can be male or female or non-binary. Gender identity is diverse, including categories like gender, queer, and agender. Gender is a continuum that evolves with language and society. Social gender is experienced through various concepts like clothing and behavior. It is important to distinguish between gender expression and identity, as social expression can influence but should not dictate one gender identification. Strict categories will lead inaccurate assumption about individual gender. People seek by aligning the body's identity and social aspect to feel comfortable with their gender. This involves choosing a name, expressing themselves through clothing and behavior, and gaining acceptance from others. Gender is a mix of different things, and it's always changing, influencing how we understand ourselves.